Hi grown-ups, welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith and this is your weekly update. This week, your kids will be doing a Test Tube Tuesday lesson, a Thoughtful Thursday lesson, and a Standout Story lesson on Saturday. On Tuesday, your kids will learn how to grow their very own vegetables from kitchen scraps. On Thursday, your kids will get to make these cute little paper umbrellas that they can leave around for unsuspecting strangers. And on Saturday, we'll be talking about Belle, the last mule at G's Bend, and your kids will get to make these fun paper quilt squares. All of the supplies for all of these lessons are listed below this video, and they're on the individual videos as well. Thank you so much. Have a great week.